So the T5 transmission is a great improvement over the 3-speed that comes with the 65 C10 trucks. It's a 5-speed and it really works great. And the lower boot, which comes with the transmission off a S10, is easily obtained and replaced, and no problem. The upper boot is another story entirely, because the C10 floor is different, and trying to figure out something to work there. Tried a couple different things, and I'll show you what I did. So the previous owner just cut a hole in a piece of carpet, which sort of worked, but not very elegant. So our first try was this Peterbilt pleated rubber boot cover with trim, and I kind of liked it because the size was right, and the fact that it came with a trim was nice. However, it turned out that this guy is just a little too stiff, and once I put it in the truck, it wouldn't stay in gear, because being as stiff as it is, it just wouldn't hold the gear shift in gear. It would pull it back and pop out of gear. So our next attempt is we're going to try this replacement for a Kenworth. And this, you can see, has more pleats, and it's thinner and is much more flexible, and I think it's going to work fine, but it doesn't come with a trim piece, and so we're going to have to probably make something ourselves. We have some 18 gauge galvanized sheet metal, and I think that'll work out nice for the trim piece. Just stiff enough to give some support, and not too thick that it won't form to the curve of the bell of the tunnel. So here's the outline of the trim plate, and I punched little dimples where the holes should go, and then I'll use an angle cutter here with a grinding cutoff wheel. Alright, we cut the outside edges, and we drilled 1/2-inch holes in the 4 corners so we can get a little saber saw in there to round out the corners. Alright, and there's the finished product. It works good. Took it for a test drive, and it stays in gear. All gears. Just very comfortable, doesn't pop out, and just runs good.